change of variables in double integrals. Problem is, evaluate this. See, x square plus y square raised to 7 by 2 over this circle. What is change of variables in double integrals? Suppose double integral over the region A, f of xy dy dx. You have to evaluate this. We change variable to uv plane. Xy plane is changed to uv plane. What is the substitution? We use x is equal to pi of uv, y is equal to psi of uv. Then double integral over the region A is equal to double integral over the region A dash f of pi of uv, psi of uv, and Jacobian, absolute value of the Jacobian you have to take. Jacobian du dv. What is A dash? A dash is the region in the uv plane corresponding to the region A of xy plane. And what is this J? J is Jacobian xy with respect to uv. Now in this case we use change of variables here and we change to polar coordinates. We change it to polar coordinates. This I have already explained. Now I directly solve this problem. Changing to polar coordinates. What are polar coordinates? X is equal to r cos theta, y is equal to r sin theta. If you change xy to r theta by this substitution, we have changed xy to coordinate polar plane, r theta plane. Now in this case, what is the first thing? J you have to find out, that is Jacobian. It is dabba x by dabba r, dabba x by dabba theta, dabba y by dabba r, dabba y by dabba theta. Take this, changing to polar coordinates. See the problem, type of problem here. It is to integrate with respect to x or y. It is not easy, correct? Because raised to 7 by 2 is there. So we change in this type of problem, change xy to polar coordinates. And what is the substitution? X is r cos theta, y is r sin theta. What is the first thing? Jacobian xy with respect to r theta. And what is this? What is dabba x by dabba r? Cos theta. Dabba x by dabba theta is minus r sin theta. Dabba y by dabba r is sin theta. Dabba y by dabba theta is r cos theta. Simplify this. It is r cos square theta. Is it plus r sin square theta? You know the determinants. R cos theta into cos theta. R square minus of minus plus. So what is this? Jacobian is r. So first obtain this Jacobian. Therefore, what is the next thing? We find out the corresponding region in the polar plane. Region of integration. Region of integration. Region of integration is xy plane. It is the circle. In the xy plane, it is the circle. Now in this circle, what is the circle? X square plus y square is 1. You have to find out how r and theta varies. R means radius vector. It varies from 0 to r. 0 to 1. R is greater than or equal to 0, less than or equal to 1. What is that? Radius vector means this length. It varies from 0 to 1. When r varies from 0 to 1, how theta varies? In the entire circle, what is the variation of theta? From A to B, theta varies from 0 to pi by 2. Next here, pi by 2 to pi. And pi to 3 pi by 2. Then it is 2 pi. 3 pi by 2, 2 pi. So in the entire circle, theta varies from 0 to 2 pi. pi. Therefore, this is the corresponding region in the r theta plane. When xy varies in this circle given by this equation, variation of r and theta is given by these inequalities. R is less than or equal to 1, greater than or equal to 0, theta is given by this. Therefore, it is double integral 0 to 1, 0 to 2 pi. What are x and y? You have to substitute. You have taken this one. Corresponding region is this. Corresponding region is this. See, where the limit becomes 0 to 1 and 0 to 2 pi. What is x? R cos square theta. Therefore, r square cos square theta plus r square sin square theta raised to 7 by 2. What is Jacobian? Jacobian is r, and it is dr, or either d theta dr. Correct? D theta dr, because for theta limits are 0 to 2 pi. 0 to 2 pi. All have followed this step. So the changing xy to polar coordinates, limit becomes 0 to 1 and 0 to 2 pi, and x is r cos theta, y is r sin theta, and here one more term comes here. What is that? J, Jacobian of xy with respect to r theta, it is r d theta dr. Now we evaluate this. We evaluate using this as repeated single integral. So 0 to 1, 0 to 2 pi, r square raised to 7 by 2, r d theta by dr. 0 to 1, 0 to 2 pi, r raised to 8, d theta dr. R raised to 8. First we integrate with respect to theta. So r raised to 8, theta from 0 to 2 pi with respect to r. R raised to 8. 0 to 1, r raised to 8, 2 pi with respect to r. So it is 2 pi, r raised to 9 by 9, 0 to 1. So 2 pi by 9. So the final answer is 2 pi by 9. If we verify this, it is 2 pi by 9. Yes. So when changing Cartesian to polar, this is a problem is very much simplified. That is the use of changing of variables. And I one more similar problem. Evaluate double integral xy into x square plus y square raised to 3 by 2 dx dy over the positive quadrant of x square plus y square is equal to 1. The reason of integration is important. And also I think you can easily understand when you have to change to polar coordinates, when x square plus y square is there and also raised to some power, you have to change to polar coordinates and problem will be greatly simplified. So what is the substitution? Changing to polar coordinates, what are the substitution? X is r cos theta, y is r sin theta. R cos theta, r sin theta. Therefore, J is equal to R. Refer the previous problem. What is J? Jacobian xy with respect to r theta, it is R from the previous problem. And the reason of integration, this is important. Reason of integration. What is the reason of integration? Positive coordinate of this x square plus y square is 1. Positive coordinate means first quadrant. You have to take reason of integration as this OAB is the reason of integration. In the xy plane, how x and y varies here? X varies from 0 to 1, y varies from 0 to root 1 minus x square, 0 to, because one limit is 0 here. Reason of integration in the r theta plane, what is the reason? The reason of integration, r varies from 0 to 1, 0 to 1 only. But what is the corresponding value of theta? Theta varies from 0 to only pi by 2. For this reason, how theta varies? 0 to pi by 2. Here for this point, theta is 0. For this point, what is theta? Pi by 2. So only theta varies from 0 to pi by 2. Therefore, double integral xy, x square plus y square raised to 3 by 2 dx dy is 0 to 1, 0 to pi by 2. What is x? R cos theta, r sin theta, r square cos square theta plus r square sin square theta raised to 3 by 2. What is Jacobian? R d theta dr. Remember this substitution into Jacobian is there. That is important. When Cartesian to polar coordinates, we have to use that formula. Therefore, 0 to 1, 0 to pi by 2, r square sin theta cos theta, r square raised to, is it 3 by 2, 3 by 2, raised to 3 by 2, r square cos square plus sin square is 1, 3 by 2, into r d theta by dr. R d theta by dr. 0 to 1, 0 to pi by 2, r raised to 6 sin theta cos theta d theta dr. D theta dr. Is it r raised to 6? R cube, r raised to 4, r raised to 6. Now how to integrate this? You can integrate with respect to theta or with respect to r. With respect to theta first or with respect to r first. Because both are constants here, limits of integration. But if you have to integrate with respect to r first, you have to change the limits of integration. First you should know the values of the limits assigned to r and theta. How to integrate? I integrate with respect to theta first. while integrating with respect to theta, r raised to 6 is constant. What is the integration of sin theta cos theta? Anybody, how to integrate sin theta into cos theta? Sin theta cos theta, first we write this as sin 2 theta by 2, means multiply by 2 divide by 2. Sin theta cos theta is sin 2 theta by 2, because we know the integration of multiples sin a theta or sin ax plus b integration is known. What is sin 2 theta integration? 0 to 1, 0 to pi by 2, r raised to 6 sin 2 theta by 2 d theta dr. 0 to 1, 0 to 1, r raised to 6 by 2 minus cos 2 theta by 2, 0 to pi by 2 with respect to r. What is the integration of sin 2 theta? Minus, integration of sin is minus cos 2 theta upon 2. Already 2 is there, upon 2 again comes here. Correct? What is this? Minus 1 by 4, 0 to 1, r raised to 6 cos of pi minus cos 0 dr. Or I write minus cos pi plus cos 0. I do not take minus 1 common. Minus cos pi plus cos 0. 1 by 4, 0 to 1, r raised to 6. What is cos pi? Minus 1. 1 plus 1 with respect to r. So 1 by 2, r raised to 7 by 7, 0 to 1. Cos pi minus 1, cos 0 is 1. So what is this? Take limit from 0 to 1, you get 1 upon 40. 1 upon 40. You can expect this type of problems. All of you completed? Note down this one. Final answer is 1 by 14. Changing Cartesian to spherical polar coordinates. You have some idea about Cartesian to polar coordinates, but spherical polar coordinates you have no idea, and also you have not used that one. Whether you have used that spherical polar coordinates, you have not used. But while finding Jacobians last year, we had come across one problem. Find the Jacobian of. This you have studied as a problem. Find the Jacobian of xyz with respect to r theta phi if x is equal to r sin phi cos theta, y is equal to r sin phi sin theta, z is equal to r cos phi. Anybody remember this problem? Find Jacobian xyz with respect to r theta phi if xyz are given by this. In problem you came across this one. Find the Jacobian. Now this relation gives Cartesian to spherical polar coordinates. Cartesian to spherical polar coordinates. But I give only statement here. If x, y, z are changed to Cartesian to spherical polar coordinates, the corresponding region changes to r limit is 0 to a, and for pi 0 to pi, and for theta 0 to 2 pi. 0 to 2 pi. If xyz, the region of integration is the sphere given by x square plus y square plus z square is equal to a square. If this is the region of integration in xyz plane, or in the Cartesian plane, corresponding region in the spherical polar coordinates is given by this. And what is the substitution? X, Y, Z are given by this. Now I consider some problems on this. Evaluate. You take this. Changing Cartesian to spherical polar coordinates. Substitution is you want to explain what are spherical polar coordinates. I require some more study. Correct? Spherical polar coordinates, I have to study and explain what are Cartesian to spherical. But Cartesian to polar is easy. Cartesian to polar. Now you take only this substitution in this, and limits of r, phi and theta is given by this, and we can solve problems.